In order to change the device settings inside of Microsoft Teams, you need to go around and click on the three dot button right here and then go to settings right here. So once you go around onto settings, you can go to devices, and then once you go around onto devices, here you can see that the audio is in custom setup. So here you can choose the speaker, and especially when you have multiple speakers, you can go around and select the one that you want the audio output from. You can go around and select out the microphone that you want over here as well, just like this, or whatever you want. You can go around and select line in or a different microphone according to how you want right here. So apart from that, you can also go around, make a test call if you want to know how you will sound or a call will be like when you actually use it. And you can also go around and use noise suppression. So this can be high or low depending on the noise you have right here. And if you have, let's say, for example, music, like you want to like stream out music, you can turn on music mode as well. And let's say turn off the enable the echo cancellation as well, because music tend to have that. If you want secondary ringer right here, then you can select another speaker over here as well. So over here you can see that you can see my face out of my webcam right here. You can go around and automatically adjust the camera controls as well. So you can go around, open up the camera settings as well, and then like depending on the camera that you have, you can select out the settings. So here you can see that there's different sources that I have. So I'm selecting the Droidcam source 2 right here. So this is the preview that you see, and you can also enable auto brightness so that your webcam footage right here becomes a bit bright, as you can see right here, especially in low light situation. This is very, very handy. And that is how you can work around with the device settings inside of Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.